In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Google Chrome clock error. If you're seeing your clock is ahead or your clock is behind in Chrome, don't worry. This usually isn't a browser problem. It's your computer's time being just a little out of sync. Even a tiny mismatch can confuse secure websites because Chrome checks your system clock against a site's security certificate. Let's walk through the quick fix together. First, we'll make sure your computer is keeping time automatically. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen where the clock is. Right-click the clock and choose Adjust Date/Time. In the window that opens, find the option labeled Set Time Automatically and make sure it's turned on. Give it a few seconds to take effect. This tells your computer to use a reliable time source instead of relying on a manually set clock, which can drift without you noticing. Next, even if the time looks correct, you're going to force a fresh sync. In that same date and time settings window, click Sync Now. This step is important. It makes your PC talk directly to a time server and line up down to the millisecond, precision that Chrome cares about when it validates secure connections. Small differences that aren't visible on the clock can still trigger errors, so this forces everything into perfect alignment. Now let's make sure Chrome itself is fully up to date. Open Chrome, click the menu in the top right corner, go to Help, and then select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and start downloading if one is available. Let it finish, and then relaunch the browser if prompted. Keeping Chrome updated matters because newer versions understand the latest security standards and certificates better, which helps prevent these clock-related warnings from sticking around. With your system time synced and Chrome updated, head back to the page that showed the error. Hit the refresh button to reload it. In most cases, that's all it takes. The error disappears, and your secure connection works as expected. If the page loads normally now, you're all set. To recap the flow we followed, we confirmed your PC is setting the time automatically, forced a time sync for millisecond accuracy, updated Chrome to make sure it handles modern security checks properly, and finally refreshed the page. This simple sequence resolves the vast majority of clock errors in Chrome and gets you back online quickly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you fix the Google Chrome clock error fast.